Authorities were called into action after a yacht was reported stolen from a South Florida marina. Deputies quickly located the vessel in the intracoastal waterway, but the suspect refused to stop, triggering a tense pursuit on the water. As Marine units closed in and boxed the yacht in, the situation escalated into a standoff that would require a coordinated effort to bring the suspect into custody.
Hey, look up to him. We'll take him out.
We know Spanish.
Get us some behind that boat.
54.
One jump around and move.
648.
Hey, Brian! Pull back.
Spanish. I have somebody with me.
We can catch that back. If you want to board the boat, we can take them out.
Let's gas.
Gas. Hey, we're going to run a 40. Get back. Migo, hey, come down. You come down. You come down. Come down. Come down. Come down from the helm.
Usually, boys, looks like he's reaching for something on the bottom deck.
Hey, fill that thing full of gas. That'll make them
Jump in the hatch.
Hey, we're deploying 40. 40 millimeter. 40 launch. Sam. Hey! Hey! No! Shoot! No! You come down. Boy,
Through that glass door.
he'll figure it out.
He's on the bottom now.
He's right there on the bottom. See him?
He's in the bottom cabin now.
Ready? We're gonna punch. You ready? We're gonna punch the bottom. Ready? Go for it. Go for it. 40! Go for it.
40.
Ricochet. Impact glass. You mean hand them to you, Garrett? What do you want, the black ones?
44, 40, Mike. This is Floyd.
This is liquids, yes, sir.
All right, hit it. 40! There you go. Yeah, get on. Do it again. You want this one? Here. Want another one?
Yeah, it's low.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Put your hands above your head. Captain.
Hey, someone's coming out on the top, up top.
Guys coming out of the top. Up in the air. Captain, keep your hands up in the air.
I see him.
Captain, exit with your hands up in the air.
Come to the rail.
Captain, exit with your hands up in the air.
They're up top on the top deck. I can't see him. He just dropped down.
They came down? No, they came out.
He went back in. Tell him to come to the...
He's coming back out. Captain, keep your hands
Hey!
up in the air. He's up on the end of that one. Captain, keep your hands up in the air.
They're going to have to go through to come down.
I've got 2 canines right here. You want to go down. Come down from the hill.
I think that there is one on...
Looks like he's reaching for something on the bottom.
40.
What do you need? Cover. We're going to hop in front, yeah.
Yeah, they are. Going up there.
Units are on the boat.
I'll go to this side. I got this side of the boat, guys.
Get the guy in the front, bring him, get rid of him first.
I got this side. Good, Garrett?
Remember, there's supposed to be 2.
It's all right there, boss.
Got it.
Treat it like there's more.
Can you test that door?
What's that?
Can you test it?
I'll see the door.
Sheriff, can you open that hatch above your head?
Right there in the middle. You got this? Yeah. My little crash.
Got me?
Yep.
Pull it.
hop up, CB, I got it.
I'll go to this side. I got this.
Hey, you guys want to hold this? We'll get the guy in the front and bring him, get rid of him first. All right. All right.
Don't move.
Hey,
You got that?
come here. Hey, come here.
Come here.
Come here now.
Hermanos, come here.
All right, watch out.
Aquí.
Watch this. Get up. Get up. Get up.
You got a hatch right there.
Get him on a boat. Hey, we're pass one off to you guys.
I am only one.
No, there's anyone else on the boat?
No, I'm the one.
Only one?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, we need to pass him off. Get him off the boat.
Grab him down there.
Just put him on the knees down here on cuffs. Got him. Got her. Here, I'll switch on you. Yep.
14 1 secure on boat.
Have your SWAT guys put their mask on. You're gonna need it. Hey, y'all need a mask up?
Yeah.
You don't want a mask up? You got your mask on you? Okay. It's all right. We'll eat it. Let's go. Let's go. You want to eat from the side up?
He's for what?
The mask up?
Yeah, we
You don't want a mask up? Got your mask on you?
no. We came from the boat.
After a dangerous pursuit across local waterways, deputies successfully stopped the stolen yacht and moved in to take the suspect into custody. Authorities say the suspect continued refusing commands after the vessel was disabled, leading to a prolonged standoff before officers were finally able to secure the yacht. The suspect, identified as 29-year-old Nikolai Vilkov, was arrested following the incident, and the luxury vessel was recovered by authorities. The investigation remained ongoing as deputies reviewed the circumstances surrounding the alleged theft and pursuit. As with all criminal cases, the charges discussed in this video are allegations, and everyone involved is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.